Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Chrome extensions safely with privacy permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Chrome extensions safely, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store in the address bar and hitting enter. Once the store loads, use the search bar to find the extension you wish to install. Before clicking Add to Chrome, check the extension's rating and reviews for credibility. Take a moment to read the description for any specific permissions it requests. Click on that Add to Chrome button to initiate the installation process. A pop-up will appear, displaying the permissions that the extension requires. Carefully review each permission to determine if they align with the extension's purpose. If anything seems excessive or unnecessary, consider looking for an alternative extension. If the permissions seem reasonable, click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the extension is installed, locate its icon in the top right corner of your browser. Right-click on the extension icon and select Manage Extensions. Consider adjusting permissions if the option exists, or remove the extension if you feel uncomfortable with them. Regularly check for updates and changes to the extension's permissions. To do this, revisit the Manage Extensions page and look for any alerts or notifications. If you notice any unfamiliar behavior from the extension, consider disabling or removing it entirely. Maintain your browser's privacy by limiting the number of extensions you use. It's advised to keep only those extensions that are essential for your browsing experience. Remember to periodically review all installed extensions and their permissions. This will help ensure your online privacy remains protected. With these steps, you can set up Chrome extensions safely and maintain your privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.